Hey guys, in this video today, we are installing this Mat66 noise reduction material. We started off by checking out some door panel removal instructions, then taking off these panels, after which we exposed the bare metal. While looking at the bare metal, we laid it out in a dry fashion just to see how many sheets we could stick in there, and we found that for each of these Toyota doors, you're able to fit between 4 and 5 sheets of this material. After we figured that out, we wiped it all down with a tack cloth, and then it was time to peel the back a bit, stick it on, then continue laying it down. And once this is all done, you do have to take a roller and then roll it all down to make sure it's all one flat surface. Make sure that none of the bubbles are popping up, that's how you know it's sealed. So in this door, if we look in, the whole surface from the top to the bottom, left to right, is all covered in this matte stuff. And when taking some decibel readings before and after, beforehand I was getting about 73 decibels, and after this it was about 68 decibels. So a bit of a reduction. With that, it's time to put these covers back on. We did find that you just have to twist these in place, clockwise to tighten them, counterclockwise to loosen them. Similar to how we did the front doors, we also did the rear doors as well. There was a plastic covering here that we ended up removing just to be able to access the inner part of the door, after which we were able to cover it with this matte material once again. After that, rolled it all down and put the plastic cover back in place along with the door panel. And the last part that we did was the trunk area, which had a lot of exposed metal. So now it has all this matte stuff. Right under the spare tire, we have the matte stuff as well. Okay, so now if I knock on the door panel and then knock on this door panel, you can hear that the door with the matte installed does not have much of an echo compared to the door without it. But that's pretty much it. I did see about a 10% reduction in sound, but I'm definitely going to go for tires next because these ecopias are loud. That's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one.